Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 6/12/2023 and time is roughly around 9 o'clock. Again, gap up, but the doji pattern in Nifty and red candle in Bank Nifty on a very important date. And today the rocker was ITC. It is simply based on a planet combination, and we predicted that yesterday itself that ITC is going to rock today, and especially Wipro was a rocker of the rocker. And according to me, the boom is not even started. Wait and watch once it closes above 426. If 426 is crossed and closed on a weekly closing basis, and if it holds 377, the target is double of 426. A double of 426. Maybe it will consolidate for some more time within this range, and once the breakout happens, you will see a real move in Wipro. And IEX, again, it was a rocker, and I think one more stock. All the four was a rocker today. But the Nifty, as I already told you yesterday, that today is a very important day, and it also says that the top will happen today based on the past prediction. But there is no short in this market as of now. As I told you already, unless and until in fortune signals, if it gives 15 minutes G-sell, till the time there is no sell in this market. Okay, so let's go and see all that. And apart from that, we predicted that on Monday, this is actually on Monday. Normally on Monday I give this number to my people. This is my weekly number, and I clearly mentioned here that wait and watch whether the bullish number or the bearish number will be touched within this week. Let's watch. Why? Because market doesn't like the big difference. For example, so if you take this calculation, in this calculation, this is 20,936 and the bearish below is 20,255. So if you take the difference between these two, it is 681 points. Market doesn't like these gaps. It always tend to go and touch one number first. Then it will try to come and touch this number within this week. We have another 2 more days, but roughly around 700 points. I don't know whether it is going to touch or not, but it will touch one number first. Maybe it will come and touch this number, or it will come and touch this number. So the trend was bullish. It went and touched this number, and it was struggling at this number for the entire day. For the entire day, it is struggling at this number 20,936. This is not a grand principle. This is how market behaves. This is how market behaves. So market doesn't like the difference is big. It will try to do one number. Let's watch. Please stay with FS and use your time frame. So this is what we predicted on Monday morning, and exactly today the high and the close is nothing but 20,936. See how market respects. See, if you take the exact closing is 20,935.90, which is nothing but 20,936. This is an average rate. Leave the average rate. See the closing rate of here. Exactly 20,936. This is how the beauty works. This is called number matching. And these numbers are not derived by me. These numbers are derived by the market on its own. And I am just copying it and pasting it in my PPT. That's all. I am not doing any magic here. So again, this number 43,834, today's closing. So now if you go here, that number is here. So it already crossed this number, and now it is hovering at this number. So now if you go here, 46,531, and it is already moved above that number, and today it closed above that number. So till it works, till it holds at 46,531, nothing to worry about from the number, and it is already done that number yesterday itself. And again, if you take Fin Nifty also done that number, and it is closed above. And if you go to Nifty future closed at 21025. But normally I always go with spot, and Pranam to market for respecting our number, which is nothing but 20,936 on a very important date. Very important date. Okay. Right. So now let's go to the PPT, and again, tomorrow, today's high and low, we need to write it. And why I'm not writing is today and tomorrow are the combination day. So always I write the today's high and the tomorrow's low, if any, or if it is going to be inside of our candle, then today's high and today's low. So in 2 days, whichever is the highest high and whichever is the lowest low I will write here. And we said very clearly, based on this single planet, ITC will rock today, and it rocked like beautifully. And if you go here, we said yesterday itself that we are buying ITC, otherwise smoke more. This is what we are talking about it. And Wipro, phenomenal. And yesterday I exited Wipro. I made a big mistake yesterday, and today again we picked up, and it was a rocker today. And UPL we bought yesterday because of this simple time cycle. We bought UPL, and again Adani. And where is UPL we picked up yesterday, that also did very well today. And ITC was the real rocker. ITC. So we said tomorrow very clearly that the stock to trade tomorrow is Adani Port, UPL and ITC, and all these two positions we are already holding. So it has given a beautiful position, and these are all my holdings of yesterday. And yesterday I exited Wipro, but today it gave a phenomenal move. But again morning, later on we picked up, and we are holding now for tomorrow. Okay. And any close above 426, for example, if you go to Wipro, so the number, so this is the long term number. The long term number is 375. That is where it made the exact bottom, and that is where it gave the exact sell. Okay, so now it has given a buy, and the next number to watch out is 426. If it holds, any weekly candle closes above 426, and if it holds 375, the target is double of 426. Last time the weekly close happened here, exactly came down and touched this long term number, and from that long term number, now it is again crossing next time above 426. Maybe it will happen tomorrow, day after, whenever, I don't know. Whenever any close happens above 426 on a weekly closing basis, the target is double of 426 if it holds 375. So for a stop loss of 50 rupees, you will get 400 rupees. Investment call. This is not a trading call. And we are writing this 375 not today or tomorrow. We are writing this number for the last 8 months. For the last 8 months. This is not derived by the market support or no. This is the number which is derived by Ichimoku. So if you go to my, maybe this is the new community, so you won't be seeing. Maybe if you go and search in Telegram, you will be seeing that, yeah. So I said very clearly on 11/7/2023, waiting for 375. So waiting for 375, this is on 11/7, because this is the number. This is the number. Long-term people, those who are following me, those who have my Excel sheet, they know this number. Why it has to hold that number. Okay. So that's all. And if you go to numbers, all I discussed, and today these are all the companies: ITC, Wipro, IEX, and RBL was the real rocker. Uh, Phenomenal profit made in that counter. So perfect doji on the important date, mark the high and low of today for any fresh trades. If you are holding, kindly hold, nothing to worry. And numbers wise, as I already told you that till it holds 20,736, the next target is 20,936, which is done. The next target is 21,025, which I am expecting for tomorrow. Okay. And coming to Bank Nifty, so now where are we in Bank Nifty? So we are here somewhere. 200 points above. Till it holds this number, nothing to worry about it. And we said above this number, these three targets on the cards in the next 2 days. This is for weekly. And all the numbers are bullish, nothing to worry about it. That's all, nothing more to add in this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor. So kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. Always remember one thing: market works on numbers, not on the EMA and SMA support level and all that. It respects those numbers because the numbers are derived by the market on its own. That is why it is respecting that number, and the number should be in the combination of 369, and the 369 is the mega combination which market revolves on its own and it vibrates on those numbers. Okay, so to watch this, you need to admire all this. Even though crores and crores of people are trading in this market, and we are predicting one number, and market is respecting that number, means you need to get a goosebumps. And every day we get that, and we enjoy that because we respect the market to the core, and market is respecting our numbers. Was respecting our numbers for so many times. So Pranam to market for that. See you soon tomorrow with the magical number of Nifty, and if there is a combination timing. And tomorrow, today I've already given 2 positional timings for Nifty in 5 minutes, and 1 positional timing in Nifty and 1 positional timing in Bank Nifty, and I've already shared with my members. So that 5 minutes will do the miracle tomorrow, which is the positional candle, which is the positional 5 minutes candle. Let's see how the market is going to respect that 5 minutes candle tomorrow, which is going to happen in the second part of the day. Okay, until then, goodbye.